Hey everybody. So we're sheltering at home and we're spending a lot more time in the kitchen, and that can be a really good thing, especially if your kitchen is stocked properly. A lot of these things you can buy online if you aren't comfortable going into the stores. So what do we do in our kitchen when we want something quick and easy? Fast food that's healthy includes rice cakes, nothing in that but brown rice and water. Susie's brand, quinoa flax, buckwheat cakes, also gluten-free. We lather it either with almond butter from Costco, mixed nut butter from Trader Joe's, or one of my favorites, the sunflower butter, also from Trader Joe's. Sprinkle a little flax on top and you've got super duper protein, fiber, super duper wonderful easy snack that'll sustain you for quite some time, and it's healthy. You can give it to your children. Thanks for watching.